core system libraries failing because of the libiconv64 module DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist, and I'll show you exactly how to restore your stability. To start the walkthrough for libiconv64 module, you can use my manual guide or the suggested resource for system optimization. This is the libiconv64 module, the 64-bit version of the iconv character set conversion library. It allows 64-bit applications to convert text between international encodings. If missing, 64-bit web integrated software will fail to parse localized data files, citing Invalid Character Set or module load failure. Knowing the file's purpose is helpful, but now we need to physically restore it. This issue is best handled by the Windows Resource Protection Service. Open an elevated command prompt and enter sfc/scan now to allow Windows to identify and replace corrupted core files, such as RM Client Library DLL. When a standard reinstall doesn't cut it, we move to advanced diagnostic steps to ensure the system is properly configured. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing libiconv64 module message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. With the reboot complete, check your status. If you're still seeing that error, here is the next phase of the fix. Remember, you can pause the video at any time. If those core system files are still missing after the restart, we'll use DISM to pull fresh copies from the cloud. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM /online /cleanup image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this triggers a deep cloud sync to replace corrupted local system manifests with verified master files directly from Microsoft servers. A brief word of caution: not all solutions found online adhere to professional security standards. If you're attempting to install RM Client Library DLL yourself, be aware that manual file placement can lead to severe software conflicts and data corruption. As an alternative to frequent manual checks, a secure maintenance utility can help keep your system environment on track. To reduce startup overhead, the suggested system resource below includes information on managing libiconv64 module. By subscribing, you're ensuring that the next time you encounter libiconv64 module critical error, you'll have a trusted expert ready to help.